Welcome back to Amy's Solar Cooking for Dummies. It's been a while. I have a different hair color. We've really been experiencing a sun apocalypse in Southern California. We were really hit with the May gray June gloom, but the sun is out and we're gonna solar cook, because what's the one thing you need to solar cook? Sun. Today I will be attempting to cook this banana bread mix. It's gluten-free because my mom has celiac. So let's see how I do. All right, got the banana bread all mixed up. Now, this is Amy's Solar Cooking for Dummies, but I can cheat a little bit because my dad, invented this and stuff. So he's helping me out. And it's all about containing the heat. So because this loaf pan doesn't have a lid, he has set me up with this pot, which the loaf pan just fits perfectly in. So we're gonna put it in there. He's already had this preheating. It's already pretty hot. It's been out here like maybe 15 minutes and it's already hot to the touch. All right, got it in, putting the lid on. We're still using our oven bag to create an extra cooking chamber. We're going to adjust the cooker to make sure that it's focused on the sun using the sun sight. I did move it a little bit ahead of the sun, so hopefully that could buy us some more cooking time before I have to adjust. All right, I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna give it maybe an hour and a half. I might come back out and readjust it, but we'll see how it's doing in an hour and a half. I did come out here to adjust a few times. See, we've got some moisture on the bag. That's a good sign. It smells really good. Ooh, I think it's gonna need more time, but I'm gonna do a knife test just to... Oh yeah, that's gonna need a lot more time. Got a lot of batter there. I'm gonna readjust and give it maybe another hour. Let's check it out. My hat just went flying off and landed in the bird bath. But back to this. Let's see how it's doing. Do the knife test. That looks pretty clean. Think we're done. Smells good. There we have it, our beautiful solar cooked banana bread. Thank you for watching Amy's Solar Cooking for Dummies, and we'll see you next time.